You're on timeout, Max. Sit down there.
You should be a good boy, Max.
You sit down. I want you to behave. Okay? Behave. You listen to mommy, okay? Sit down, sit down. Sit down. I want you to sit down, huh? Sit down. Sit down. You're on timeout.
And you should be a good boy every day.
I want you to sit down.
Max, respect.
Tatiana, stop. You're gonna be a good boy? You don't want to be a good boy? Sit down there. Now, Max. Sit down. Tatiana, get out. Get out of the way.
Okay.
Sit down. Now. Sit.
Sit.
You're on timeout.
Be a good boy. Good boy. Sit down.
Tatiana,
Okay.
you stay there, Max, okay? You behave. Sit down. You're on timeout. You sit. You sit. It has to be 2 minutes. 2 minutes timeout.